Are you ready to unlock a whole new world of real-time data insights by connecting Tableau to the boundless possibilities of APIS? Step 1. Fire up your Tableau desktop application and navigate to the Connect pane. Typically located on the left side of the screen here, you'll find a variety of data connection options. Now, look for the Web Data Connector option, often grouped with other options that let you connect to various data sources. Click this button. This opens a Web Data Connector browser window. In this window, you'll see a text field where you input your API's connection URL. The next step is to type or paste the specific URL provided by the API you're trying to connect to. This URL tells Tableau exactly where to go to fetch the data. Keep in mind that you'll need the correct URL for the API you're accessing. After pasting the URL, press the Connect button. Tableau will now attempt to connect to the API, and you'll likely see a loading indicator. If successful, you'll be presented with a data preview screen. Examine the data fields that Tableau recognizes, representing the data points made available by the API, and confirm that you see what you need. From here, you can begin visualizing the data. Drag your data sources to the main canvas, choose your chart type, and build the dashboards you need. Congratulations!